Here are my quick takeaways from today. So we had first today a presentation from EuPD, who Saif was forecasting for the further strong growth for the distributed market in Europe, which has been covering 2/3 of the total installations last year. Largest market, Germany, will install 10 gigawatt, up from around 7 gigawatt last year, growing to 20 gigawatt in 2026. He also said that the storage market is booming. Attachment rates are very, very high. LONGi showed high efficiency modules in a beautiful presentation for different needs in the rooftop segment, from mainstream products to AC modules to BIPV. They've really created one series, a HIMO 6, that is just designed for the rooftop segment, and which will have a large part of their production, over 25 gigawatt, if I remember correctly. JinkoSolar was talking about something else. We're used to hear from them. They are becoming a full system solution supplier for the residential markets, not only offering modules, but even inverters, batteries. And we also learned about a local service network that is being installed in Australia and Europe. In the same direction goes the Haier Group, though they are not coming from solar, but they are being the world's largest home appliance supplier. But they also move into the distributed solar business, and will also provide, or have started providing, a total solution, including new TOPCon HJT solar modules, battery products, in combination with their whole whiteware. They just started in March in Italy, and will be also at Intersolar Munich, where they launched their German business. We heard from AikoSolar, originally a premium cell maker, which is vertically integrating and has recently introduced the world's most efficient solar module, really bringing, I think, this whole efficiency contest to the next level, and not only offering a module beyond 23%. If you round it up, you can even go to 24% with a up to 23.66% module. The consequences, of course, improving performance, reducing BOS cost. Also great to see presentation from Solar Native, a German startup, which launched a new Henry micro inverter series for residential and small commercial solar market. And as Julian showed, there are so many new applications that we're seeing, from solar fences, balcony solar, and other things for which these inverters are handy and working well. It is also part of a bigger trends, because we're have been seeing a lot of new inverter manufacturers, especially in China, which has the largest rooftop solar market in the world. It was also interesting to see Ryzen, also originally coming from the cell module segment, but now expanding into battery storage and offering best products for both residential and C&I distributed solar segment. And we also saw how they also do that for EV charging stations. Very interesting. And finally, we saw a presentation from Astronergy, fastly moving into the TOPCon segment. All TOPCon cells are larger than 5.4%, and they have products for different DG market applications, and want to increase capacity to 76 gigawatt by 2026 out of 90 gigawatts. So the N-type era really has started and is taking over quickly. Then let me say once again, thanks first to our sponsors who have made this event possible. I would like to say thank you to the audience, to everyone who has attended, to the speakers, and last but not least, to the Taiyang team. And then I would like to also mention our final event, our next event, that will be a InterSolar review products event and will take place in the last week of June. There should be now a slide, but somehow it's not. In any case, we will send you soon a save the date, and would like to say thank you. Maybe the final slides, these are our publications you can download. Maybe the final slide with our event. Okay, not in any case, we are looking forward to see you soon in June for the InterSolar products review event. Thanks a lot, and hopefully see many of you soon, either at SNAC. Taiyang will be at SNAC in May, and we will be also with our team at InterSolar. Thanks again, and have a nice day or evening. Bye-bye.